Stonefield query for ACT can be used to create many different types of reports: quick reports, crosstab reports, labels, charts, and dashboards. This video is going to center on quick reports. To create a quick report in Stonefield query, it's quick, easy, and gets the data that you need to see. All we need to do is give this report a name. Once we've given the report a name, we select the data that we want to see on this report. So from the table, I'm actually going to select Contact Opportunity. This will allow us to take a look at all of the opportunities that have been entered into ACT. I'm going to go ahead and select some fields. I'm going to grab my Record Manager, my Total, my Stage, my Estimated Close Date, and the days open. Now in Stonefield query, you can easily move these fields around by dragging them up and down. So I can actually organize the report however I want to. Other things that I can do are double clicking on Record Manager, for instance, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the Grouping tab, check the box, and also the Count. What this will do is this will place the Record Manager on the report once and place all of the opportunities for each Record Manager underneath those. With Stonefield query, you can also easily create totals. I'm going to go ahead and choose Sum. When I do so, not only am I going to show the Record Manager once and all the Record Manager's opportunities, but I'm also going to get an overall total at the bottom of the report for each Record Manager. At the end of the report, I'm going to get an overall total of opportunities. The next step in creating any report is to go ahead and create what we call a filter. A filter is how you narrow the data set down and only get what you want. So for instance, in opportunities, we may want to come down here and under status say equals, I can click on values, and this will give me the choices, and I'm going to choose open rather. I may want to see just open opportunities. I could also narrow this down via a date range by selecting my estimated close date. Easy terms to work with. Is between will actually allow us to pick a date range. When ask at runtime is checked and the report is run, the person running the report will be prompted to enter a date range every single time this report is run. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Click OK. Now when we go to the next step, we can choose how to sort the report. All reports that have groupings on them, where we grouped via Record Manager, in the second step of creating this report, will be the primary sort. So it's going to sort in alphabetical order via the Record Manager. Secondly, I may want to sort this via estimated close date, for instance, and then I could choose ascending or descending. In this case, I'll choose ascending order. The last step, or second to last step in creating your report, is to give the report a header or a footer. The header and footer the header is selected based on the name of the report, but it can be changed. Stonefield query is template based. What this allows you to do is basically create many different templates and apply those to different reports. For instance, you may want to put your address or your company logo on a report. You put that on the template and you only have to do that once. And you can see we've created a bunch of templates that you can use. I'm going to choose Elegant. Has some shading that we've already added into the report. Go ahead and click Next. And then Stonefield query is role-based security, which means you take your users, you put them into groups, and you decide what groups would be able to run this report. When you're done creating the report, you could go ahead and hit Finish. Stonefield query will put that in the appropriate folder. Click on Preview, and now we're going to run the report. As I mentioned before, we checked the Ask at Runtime filter condition, which means every time this report is run, it's actually going to ask you for a date range. I could come in here and pick whatever date range I want. Click OK. Stonefield query is going to run. It's going to get the data set. In this case, it was 214 records, and it's actually going to present that in the fashion that we've picked, which is grouped via Record Manager, I'm going to click down. When I click down, we can see that Allison McCullough has 54 outstanding opportunities that total 401,000. I'm going to click the button at the top here to go right to the last page of the report and just scroll down, and we can see there's a total of $1.493 million outstanding in opportunities. A report like this, quick, easy to create, and gets the data set that you're looking for. Now, you may be sitting there saying, you know what, I don't necessarily, the details are great, but I'd also like to just get the summary numbers. When we go to the second to last step in creating the report, we have this summary report capability. Summary reports need a grouping. We grouped via record manager, and then I summed the total field. When I go ahead and click preview, change my date range, click OK, Stonefield Query is going to hit the data set, and it's going to grab my record managers, give me my totals. When I grouped via record manager, I said show me the count, and it's going to show me the overall count. Quick reports can get you the detailed information you're looking for, but they can also get you the high-level information that you're looking for to make strategic business decisions.